I think that van is racing now.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That van is racing now. He's like,
now it's the van's like, I got this.
Please tell me that was the van that did that.
no.
-5 horsepower.
What's that van gonna do?
Yo, that van's actually keeping good.
What is the van?
That van's actually keeping pretty good. 16.
Damn.
I'm not gonna lie, that's not bad.
Who do you think is gonna win?
What's the other one? I see
2 Hondas.
the money's on the hatch.
Who are you, Diane?
Yeah, I got money on the hatch too, but like. Okay.
13.
16. Thank you, Diana.
I'll be the slowest motherfucker here. Oh. He got warning lights going. 15.
17. I want to see quarter race.
His pride's a little hurt right now.
Against the big truck. Come on, that'd be funny as hell.
That'd be funny as hell.
You know it would be funny as hell.
It would be funny as hell.
I got something on the G6.
I say.
I'm going with
overrated that.
No, it's a BMW.
Here's a couple of reminders about some upcoming Fridays. We'll be back
the
here
Hyundai
on
wins. I told you.
April 14th for
I
American.
thought he
I
had
told
some,
you.
I thought he had some on the hood.
Obviously, that's for American vehicles.
No, that color is
North American vehicles, I'm assuming.
shitty purple.
North American
Hello,
vehicles,
yeah.
I'm not so
You should
sure.
have popped it out.
Next Ratchet Friday will be April 21st.
April
Are we going
21st.
21st?
Don't forget,
I don't
FF
mind it
Live.
if I can.
Let's do it.
May 6th,
If,
May 7th,
if,
for 2 days.
if I'm still working at Shumpert, I can do it. If I'm working at BJ's, I probably can.
And if they'd like more information, go to the website, regionalpark.com.
So,
Will be a Ratchet Friday.
that paint job doesn't add horsepower?
Ratchet Friday. For the rest
Yeah,
of
we
the
fucked
year,
up.
I guess you learned that the hard way
I
up.
want to get ahead of myself.
I'm kidding.
14 seconds.
Busting balls.
RachelPark.com, OGS1320.com, NiceOnes.com.
Wait, is he racing on?
Easy with all-wheel drive. I would. That's not bad.
Red or green?
I see the new. Yeah, totally. $17. I'd be fucking 20 if that were me. Probably. That's a Civic versus a Nissan Altima. Or Maxima. I always get them confused.
Damn, he only
What is the time on this? It is 14 and 15.
You know who's gonna win.
I don't know about
He
that.
better not fuck up. He better not fuck up.
Challenger.
Better don't fuck up.
Oh! 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 was a good start. That was a very good start.
He always at the
Well.
I say Subi.
My money's on the Subi.
Subi. Oh, that's Subi.
So is yours on the recall list?
I haven't seen any 10-second cars yet. I haven't seen any 10-second cars yet.
You're not gonna find that many until like maybe later on in the night if you're lucky. Another Civic versus Volkswagen. And the Jaguar. I see that Jaguar.
Rolling up next to a Mini Cooper. Is this the Mini Cooper that? Is that the Mini Cooper that?
I don't know. You have to ask
I
him.
really hope not. Where'd they go? I don't know. Whatever.
He had one job and he couldn't even do it.
Weed. Weed are
Oh shit! Oh shit! That was actually closer than I thought. That was actually close. Yeah, it's a Mini.
First thing a Jaguar? Okay.
Okay, I gotta go against it. I'm gonna say the Mini.
Really?
Yeah, I'm gonna say the Mini.
I mean, you might be
All right,
right.
coming up this Sunday, which is 2 days away. I have to count on my fingers for that one. Street Wars, presented by Tri-State Motorsports. Imports versus domestic. Yeah, the ever-popular Street
Sunday?
Wars.
Are you off?
I'm off Sunday.
The car show. All import cars, trucks.
I'm actually off Sunday.
Lucky ass.
So guess where I'm going?
It's open at 8
I wanna
a.m.
go.
If I go, I might go.
Also,
I'm working.
that will include a Mitsubishi versus Subaru class. For the Mitsubishi fans, you'll have your own special category.
Yes.
Street Wars is coming Sunday.
You can't tell me that. Corvette. It's a Corvette versus a Mustang, right?
Corvette, and I got this one.
Or is it a GTR? GTR or Corvette?
That's not a GTR. That's a Mustang.
Corvette's gonna win.
Oh, totally. Oh, he got some. Oh, he got some. I guess not.
Wow.
Oh shit.
That's the one with the tire.
Now, once again, the two challengers side by side.
That's the
SRT
one up the
392
tire.
in the Mopar lane.
Grip.
And the Hellcat.
Yo, can we build your car to race? Not your Honda.
Get out. Get
Your
your
El Camino.
out of the
Something
fucking
fell
lot.
out.
I didn't tell you. I got insured.
I think it did.
You told me that.
Oh, did I?
Give the 392 a single run.
It'll be on the streets hopefully this year.
Alright. If you need help, you know Mr.
We'll get towards the challenge with balance.
It's never race day unless somebody fucking.
Something fell out.
Some fell out.
Coming up,
Yeah, that's what
April.
he said.
Big month, especially if you're into import cars, sport compact, European cars. Big stuff in April.
I see a wagon and I kind of want the wagon to
Each
win.
day, the spring version. Hondas and Acuras only on April 8th and 9th. And then we've got, again, like I said, a Ratchet Friday on the 21st. But Sunday, April 2nd, Euro Audi
I
Spring.
really want the wagon to win.
We used to call it the VW and Audi show and go,
Yeah.
but now all European
Is that a
brands
Mercedes?
are
Yeah, that's a Mercedes wagon.
invited to
Is it
attend.
AMG though?
air-cooled, water-cooled VW's old
We're about
European
to find
cars.
out.
On Sunday, April 2nd, giant car show, vendors, live music. We really kicked that one up a couple notches. You're out on the 2nd.
Oh shit! Never mind. He gave my head start.
Damn!
Damn!
Oh!
Springs English Town Swap Meet and Auto Show.
Closer.
Yeah!
Giant swap.
Did you see how much of a lead he gave him, Drew?
Wow. Wow. That is wow.
You want to give up?
I'm good with this. The Honda's gonna win, but the Charger could have caught up. That Charger could have caught up.
Say this again?
What's it going up against?
Brian, what's your
Mustang.
break?
I'm really hoping it's an
Hello
AMG.
Kitty.
Yo.
Whoa, that was
What happened?
that wasn't right.
What?
He said you should have bought a Toyota. Dude, shut the fuck up. Give me the aspect thing.
Bruh.
It would be real.
I mean, hey. It is. And it's only gotten
I'm
bigger.
so happy we came in early as shit.
That's why I want to get up in early, man.
Who's it going?
Look at what I'm wearing. You tell me it's cold.
You good?
I'm good. Trust me. I guess the Merc one.
Yeah, damn good.
13, 14. Alright. We cut it here and start for the next one.